Hello students, today we are going to start next topic of chapter 7, that is measure of central tendency. The next topic is corrected arithmetic mean. Now corrected arithmetic mean, sometimes what happen, some values are written wrong. In that condition the arithmetic mean whatever we are obtaining, that is wrong. In that condition we are not going to solve our question from beginning. We can apply a simple formula and we can correct our arithmetic mean. How we can correct? X bar equal to sigma x, which is wrong value, plus correct value minus incorrect value divided by n. Now there is a one example which I have already written. We are going to solve this example, how to get correct arithmetic mean. Example, mean marks obtained by 100 students. It means n number of item is equal to 100. Are estimated to be 40. It means x bar equal to 40. Clear? Later on it is found that one value was read as 83. It means instead of 53. It means correct value is 53. But we have taken wrong value, that is incorrect value, that is 83. Clear? First of all, understand the question. Mean marks obtained by 100 students. It means number of students are 100. Are estimated to be 40. It means arithmetic mean is 40. X bar is equal to 40. Correct value, that is 53, and incorrect value, that is 83. Clear? Now we are going to solve the question. First of all, we require sigma x. You can see with this example sigma x is not given, but we can find out by these information sigma x. How we can find out? All of you know x bar equal to sigma x divided by n. All of you know, but this is wrong. So x bar is, how much it is given? 40. Sigma x, we are not having, and number of item, that is 100. How much? Do it cross multiply. Then now sigma x equal to 40 into 100 equal to 4000. Clear? Now we are going to apply this formula, which is very easy. Now I am doing at the top so that you are able to see easily. Apply this formula. X bar equal to sigma x. How much we have obtained? Sigma x, that is 4000. Plus correct value, how much it is there? 53. Minus incorrect value, that is 83, divided by n number of items. Clear? Now 4000 plus 53, 4053 minus 83, that is 3970, divided by 100. Now how much answer we are going to get? 39.70. This is a very easy. I hope all of you have understood. Now from this related topic I will upload few questions. Just do it. Now the next topic is, that is finding the missing value. Finding the missing value. Sometimes it's happened that any value is going to be left out. In that condition, what we can do, we can find out that value, correct mean. Now how we can find out? X bar equal to X bar x1 plus x2 plus x3, suppose x4 has been left out, plus xn divided by n number of items. Clear? Now this is a very easy. I am just giving you one example. Suppose there is 5 items. Suppose there is 5 items whose mean is 30. Now the values are 10, 15, 30 and 35 respectively. Now find out how much value are given. 4. Find out fifth value. How we are going to find out fifth value? This is a very easy. X bar equal to, how to find out? X1, how much it is given? 10. X2, 15. S3, 30. S4, 35. S5, that is not given, which we have to find out. Divided by n number of items. How much n number of items are given? 5. Even x bar is also given in the question, that is 30. So use that x bar also 30. Clear? Now do it, cross multiply. 30 into 5, 150, equal to, add all of them. 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 30, 55, 55 plus 35. 90, I think so. Clear? 10 plus 15, that is 25, 25 plus 30, that is 55, 55 plus 35, that is 90. Now plus x5. All of you know how to do it. 150 minus 90 equal to x5. 60 equal to x5. I hope you all are understood. If you are not able to say it, I can do it on top. I am explaining it again. Just see it again. Suppose there are 5 items whose mean is 35 items it means, and number of items 5. Mean x bar equal to 30. Okay. Now apply the formula. X bar 30 equal to x1 10, x2 15, x3 30, x4 35, x5 we have to find out. Clear? Divided by n number of item, that is 5. Now find out 30 into 5, 150, equal to, add all of them, 90 plus x5. Clear? x5 equal to 150 minus 90, 60. It is also very simple how to find out missing value from the arithmetic mean. Now next topic we will discuss later on, that is combined mean.